In the not-so-distant future, a cutting-edge cosmetics company unveiled a lipstick like no other. Vermilion Eternus, they called it. Promising a mesmerizing blood-red hue that never faded, it became an instant sensation in the fashion world. Among the first to try it was Lily, a young influencer renowned for her impeccable style. The moment she swiped on Vermilion Eternus, she felt an irresistible power. Her lips were a vivid, seductive red that captivated the world. But beneath the glamour, something sinister lurked. As days turned into weeks, Lily's obsession with the lipstick grew. She couldn't bear to part with it, applying it again and again. Yet with each application, her lips bled, staining her existence with a haunting shade of crimson. At first, she dismissed it as a mere side effect, but paranoia gnawed at her. One night, as she gazed into her reflection, she saw something that chilled her to the core. Her eyes, once vibrant, now gleamed with a malevolent, otherworldly light. Vermilion Eternus had bound her to a sinister force. The lipstick, it seemed, was a vessel for a malevolent spirit, one that thrived on vanity and fed on her life force. The more she applied, the closer she became to becoming its permanent host.